In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save a video in Clipchamp step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If you've just finished editing your video and you're not sure where the save option is, or you're confused about export settings, this video will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. Clipchamp is a powerful online video editor, but saving your final video correctly is the most important step. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. Once you're done editing your video in Clipchamp and everything looks the way you want, the first thing you want to do is look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Export. This is the button Clipchamp uses to save and download your finished video. Go ahead and click on the Export button. After clicking Export, Clipchamp will ask you to choose a video resolution. This determines the quality of your final video. If you want high quality that's perfect for YouTube or social media, select 1080p. This is the most commonly used option and gives you a clear, professional-looking video. If you need a smaller file size, you can choose a lower resolution, but for most creators, 1080p is the best choice. Once you select your resolution, Clipchamp will start rendering your video. Rendering means the editor is processing all your edits, effects, text, and audio into a single video file. Depending on the length of your video and your internet speed, this can take a few seconds or a few minutes. Just let Clipchamp do its thing and don't close the browser while this is happening. When the rendering process is finished, your video will automatically download to your computer. Clipchamp saves the video as an MP4 file, which is a widely supported format and works perfectly for YouTube, Instagram, and most other platforms. By default, the file will be saved in your computer's Downloads folder, unless you've changed your browser's download location. You can now open the file, watch it to make sure everything looks good, and upload it wherever you want. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully saved your video in Clipchamp using the export feature. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Clipchamp tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.